If good news came in little glass vials, this is it running off the production line. A vaccine that has the potential to send COVID-19 packing for good, if its manufacturer's preliminary data is anything to go by, that is.
It is a great day for science. It is a great day for humanity when you realize that your vaccine has a 90% effectiveness. That's overwhelming.
Pfizer and German biotech firm BioNTech, which invented the vaccine, have promised 50 million doses by the end of the year, with more than 1 billion to follow in 2021. Our government has ordered 40 million doses, but today called for patience until the vaccine is approved and delivered.
I remain, buoyantly optimistic. I just don't want to let people run away with the idea that this development today is necessarily a home run, a slam dunk, a shot to the back of the net.
The Deputy Chief Medical Officer reaching for his own sporting analogy to balance hope against reality.
So this is like, getting to the end of a playoff final. It's gone to penalties. The first player goes up, scores the goal. You haven't won the cup yet, but what it does is it tells you that the goalkeeper can be beaten.
So how does it work? The jab is known as an mRNA vaccine. When injected into the body, it tricks our cells into making pieces of the coronavirus, priming our immune system to destroy it if we become infected. Pfizer claimed 90% protection after 2 doses 3 weeks apart. The company is still weeks away from releasing final data on how effective and safe the vaccine is. Until we get that, it's hard to know how much difference it will make and how soon.
We've learnt very, very hard lessons from silver bullets in the past in public health, so we don't want to put all our focus on this one intervention. And of course, it's important to therefore maintain the other things that we have in place at the moment, the social distancing and the limits that we have in place at the current time.
While the Pfizer vaccine may be a scientific first, there are others close behind, like this one being trialled by the University of Oxford and AstraZeneca in the UK. Today's result is a good indication theirs might work too.
We're not in a competition with the other vaccine developers. There are 7 billion people on the planet, and we need to have multiple vaccines that are successful. And so I think what we take from this is the very good news that the type of immune responses that they're generating, which is very similar to most of the other vaccines that we're seeing, are able to provide protections.
A vaccine isn't here yet, but it looks increasingly likely one, or even more, will be along soon.